Hey Diva dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am back with another video. Now you dolls have requested I give you some more looks, and I wanted to do something a little bit different today where, as you can see, I transformed into Kim Kardashian, Kim K. Hey. So if you want to see how it is that I did this look,
can't stop, won't stop, get guap, 10 white toes and them toy flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been.
You don't know. Bad man.
Okay y'all, so this is the wig straight out the box. I'm just parting through to show you what it looks like on some areas of the wig. So it's really dark on the top as far as the roots, because that's how this wig was modeled after the Kim K look that she did. So it is harsh. You may want to add more color if you want, but I kept it the way it was, and I'm just showing you here. I'm cutting off the lace. Now the lace was really light, so I used some foundation and just put a little bit all over the lace. That way it matched my skin. Now with this hair, I definitely like the style that it's long and it had some curls, but I wanted to make the curls a little bit more pronounced. Now you see how the hair is a little brown there? I was not sure about curling this wig, so I used really light heat, and then I followed it up with the actual curlers that you saw that I put in. Now next up is makeup. So y'all, this is my favorite part, and I tried my best to make this as short as possible. So I already did my foundation, I did my eyebrows off camera. Now here I'm using my favorite blush. This is by MAC called Blunt, and it's great to contour, but I also use it for a transition color. Now this is a sample I got from Chanel. It's really nice eyeshadow. It's really smooth. It goes on fairly easy, not a lot of leave out, but I'm using like a baby pink shimmery color, and I'm putting that all over my lid. Now I am not a makeup guru, y'all. I just do what works for me, and for me, I like to use simple techniques. So again, I'm putting that same blunt color, which is that brownish color, back in the creases, and then again on my eyelid, I had that baby pink color. Now I'm taking this dark brown color from this palette, which is from the News collection. I'll put everything in the comments down below, y'all, but this is from the drugstore, so by Maybelline. I'm just putting it in like the corners, kind of making like a V, just to give some depth to my eyes, because Kim K always has that smoky look. And of course, Kim K, y'all, she kills the highlighter. So I really would have gone a little lighter here, but I didn't have it on hand. So this is from a beauty supply store. I love these Pro LA Girl Cosmetics. I'll put, again, everything down below in the box, but I'm just highlighting under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and I like to highlight on the side of my cheeks under my contour line, because it helps your face look small. It's like an instant way of losing 5 pounds. All right, so of course we got to get that Kim K highlight popping. So I'm going ahead and using this banana powder. Usually I like to use the translucent powder, but because I wanted more of a high yellow, as you can see on her face, she's really highlighted, she's really contoured, so I'm just trying to copy that look. So I'm using this little brush that I got for you to see how I contour my nose, how I cut out the hollows in my cheek, and I'm using this cream palette for highlight and contour, and it's from Black Radiance, which is my absolute fave. If y'all been watching it, you know I live by it. So I'm just setting that with, again, Black Radiance highlight and contour powder. They have a cream contour palette, and they have also a powder contour palette. So I'm just going back, blending any harsh lines, but you got to kill the contour when you're channeling your inner Kim K. So I like using setting spray, but I love using my toner too. This is all plant-based, botanical based. I just spray my face. It keeps you from looking powdery. Now, as you can see, I'm just putting on the final touches, which this right here I like to do after I wipe off the Ben Nye powder. This again is drugstore makeup, y'all. This makeup I'll put down below in the box, but I just give myself like a smoked out waterline. Now, one thing I saw Kim K always does, she loves putting like the frost kind of colors on her eyes and also in her inner corner. So that's what I'm doing here. And this is actually my highlighter, y'all. So I'm literally just gonna put this highlight in the corner of my eyes. I'm gonna put it down the bridge of my nose. I'm gonna put it on my Cupid's bow. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my cheekbones. Now this is my favorite part. Y'all comment down below your favorite highlighters because I feel like I'm not getting a lot of shine and I definitely want that high gloss look. Now Kim K is really known for like a nude lippy. So what I'm doing here is going ahead and using this lippy. This is from my homegirls line, Fancy 525 Cosmetics. It goes on so smooth and I strongly recommend it. Again, I'll link everything down below. But this is Chi. This is the color, well, I'm sorry, it might be pronounced Chai, but this is from Color Pop Cosmetics. And I absolutely love their lip colors, y'all. It's opaque, it's smooth, and they're incredibly affordable. All right, so back to the hair, y'all. This wig is provided by DIVASWIG, and with this wig, it came out the box ready to go. But again, I'm just showing you how I wanted to put the foundation, not just on the wig itself, but also on my wig cap. Now, you can always set this down with some Got To Be Glued, which I end up doing on my ear tabs. But I just wanted you to see how by leaving those curlers in for about 30 minutes, it really gave me a lot of body to this wig. And then I also wanted to show you how easy it was just to put it on. This wig does have combs. I'm not too certain about the details of the hair as far as what kind of hair it is, but I feel like a style like this is just for a temporary look. It's nothing super long term. It's just fun, it's flirty, and it really completes my look. All right, y'all, so the outfit is Kim K inspired. We know she's all into this Yeezy season, so of course I had to give my outfit a go to look just like hers, and I got everything from Pretty Little Thing, which is super affordable, and I'll put all the links down below with the coupon code. That way you guys can shop this look. And there we have it. Kim K, y'all. What do you think? How did I do? Leave a comment down below. Okay, dolls, so that is it. So again, something I normally would never do. It came already customized with the lace front, and then it has the plucked edges, and then it also has the dye, which I thought was very, very harsh. But then when I looked at some pictures of Kim Kardashian with this exact look, I understood why they did it. So again, this hair is really cute. Diva wig, so far so good. I will recommend it. Definitely put, again, any coupon codes I can find down below in the box. With this particular style, it's really lightweight. It's something you can just throw on your head and style. So, but again, guys, this isn't really for long-term wear. It's just for the night. It's to do something different. It's to capture that vibe. And y'all, I think I nailed it. I think I nailed the Kim K vibe. Like, what do you think? If you guys liked my outfit, be sure that you check the links down below. I will put the links to everything that I got, as well as the coupon code. But I love trying new things. You guys told me you wanted more videos with some different looks. Be sure to comment down below any other video ideas that you want to see me do. If you don't follow me already on Instagram and Snapchat, be sure that you do. And my name is @ChrissieTheDoll. Now also be sure that you subscribe to this channel, subscribe to my vlog channel, and subscribe to my fitness channel, y'all. Like, I really do appreciate the support. I want to thank all you dolls for tuning in, and as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.
#1 stunner, icy girl with a Cuban. Cash money mama that be dining in Bahamas, eating fettuccine pasta with the scallops and the lobsters. I don't got no time for these hoes, speaking on my name like I'm someone that they know. I'm the big cat bitch, yes, these niggas love me. Is that Gucci on my feet? Shit.